So the last video we seen the exercise 2.5, now the 2.6. So we start with the 2.6. First one, product of Pragati's age 2 years ago and 3 years hence is 84. 2 years ago it means minus, and 3 years hence it means plus. So first we assume let Pragati's age be x year. So 2 years ago it means x minus 2, and 3 years hence it means x plus 3. The product it means multiplication. So x minus 2 multiply with the x plus 3, that equals to 84. Now we know how to multiply it. So we do the bracket multiplication. X multiply with this, then x multiply with 3, then minus 2 multiply with the x, and minus 2 multiply with the 3, you get a 6. That whole equals to 84. Now x square plus x minus 6 equals to 84. Shift the 84 this side. So x square plus x minus 6 minus 84 equals to 0. Now we add 84 and 6, so we get the minus 90. Now we need two numbers whose multiple is 90 and difference is 1. So we take here 10 9 ja 10x minus 9x minus 90, that equals to 0. So x as a common, so you get x plus 10, minus 9 common, so you get x plus 10. So x minus 9 and x plus 10, that equals to 0. So x equals to 9 or x equals to minus 10. So age is never in negative. So our final answer is x equals to 9. So it means Pragati's age is 9 years. That's our final answer. Second one, in that sum of the square of two consecutive natural even number is 244. So even natural number, so we consider let the numbers are x and x plus 2. Now the sum of the square of, so sum means plus, and the square of, so x square plus x plus 2 the whole square, that equals to, it is given 244. So here x square, make it a square of this, so we use a formula a plus b the whole square. So you get a x square plus 4x plus 4, that equals to 244. So if you added this, you get the 2x square plus 4x plus 4, that is 244. So 2x square plus 4x, shift this side, so you get a minus 244. So the 2x square plus 4x minus 240, that equals to 0. Now whole divided by 2. If you divide this one with the 2, so you get the x square plus 2x minus 120, that equals to 0. Now you need a two number whose multiple is 120 and the sum is 2. So 12 10 ja. 12 multiply with the 10, you get a 120, and 12 minus 10, you get a 2. So x square plus 12x minus 10x minus 120, that equals to 0. So x as a common, so you get the x plus 12, minus 10 common, so you get the x plus 12, that equals to 0. Now x plus 12 is a common bracket, and here x minus 10 in the other bracket. So in the final you get your answer x equals to minus 12 or x equals to 10. So we know the natural number is never negative. So here we get a minus 12, it means it is not a answer. So x equals to 10. That is your final answer. It means the numbers are 10 and 12. Now third one. In the orange garden of Mr. Madhusudan, there are 150 orange trees. So total number of trees are 150. The number of trees in each row is 5 more than that in each column. So column we consider as the x. So row is 5 more than column. So that is x plus 5. Find the number of tree in each row and each column with the help of this following flow chart. So number of tree in a column, it is x. Number of tree in a row is x plus 5. Number of trees, that is 150. Now we frame the quadratic equation. So as we know, the row and column multiply, it is equals to total number of tree. So x multiply with the x plus 5, that equals to 150. So what you get then? X square plus 5x minus 150 equals to 0. Now we know 15 tanja is 150. 15 minus 10, we get a 5. So here we write x square plus 15x minus 10x minus 150, that equals to 0. So x remove as a common, so you get a x plus 15. 10 remove as a common, so you get a x plus 15, that equals to 0. So x minus 10 in one bracket and x plus 15, that equals to 0. So x equals to 10 or x equals to minus 15. So it's not possible, the number of columns are in minus, in negative. So our answer is 10. So number of column, the number of trees in a column is 10 and number of trees in a row is 10 plus 5, that is 15. So what we write in the end? Numbers of trees in a column x equals to minus 15. So number of tree in a column, that is equals to 10, and row it is 10 plus 5, that equals to 15. Is older than Kishore by 5 years. The sum of the reciprocal of their age is 1 upon 6. Find their present age. So let Kishore's age be x and Vivek's age be x plus 5. So sum of the reciprocal of their ages. So reciprocal of their ages, that is 1 upon x plus 1 upon x plus 5, that equals to 1 upon 6. It is given according to the condition that we frame the quadratic equation. 1 upon x plus 1 upon x plus 5, that equals to 1 upon 6. Now do the cross multiple. So x plus 5 multiply with 1, x multiply with 1, that is x upon x into x plus 5, that equals to 1 upon 6. So here we added a like term, so what we get? 2x plus 5. And the whole multiply with this, you get a x square plus 5x equals to 1 upon 6. Now shift to the 6 this side, you get the x multiply with the 2x plus 5. And this whole term multiply with this 1, so you get x square plus 5x. So 6 multiply with this, you get 12x. 6 multiply with the 5, you get 30. X square plus 5x. The whole term you can shift that side. So what you get then? X square plus 5x minus 12x minus 30 that equals to 0. So x square minus 7x minus 30 that equals to 0. Now you need a two number whose multiple is 30 and difference is 7. That is 10 threes are 30 and 10 minus 3 you get a 7. So x square minus 10x plus 3x minus 30 that equals to 0. So x remove as a common, x minus 10, 3 remove as a common, x minus 10, that whole equals to 0. So what you get in the end? You get it x minus 10 and x plus 3. So x equals to 10 or x equals to minus 3. So age is never in the negative. So your answer is 10. It means Kishore's age is 10 and Vivek's age is 15 years. Now fifth one. Let Suyash scored X marks in first test and scored X plus 10 marks in second test. Because it is given Suyash scored 10 marks more in second test than the first. 5 times the score of second test is same as the square of the score in the first test. So find his score in the first test. So first test, that is the make it a square of that, and the 5 times the score of second test. So x square equals to 5x plus 10. That we frame the quadratic equation from the given condition. Now x square that equals to 5x plus 50. So x square minus 5x minus 50 that equals to 0. So here we have to find 50 by multiplication of two number and difference is 5. 10 5s are 50 and 10 minus 5 you get the 5. So x square minus 10x plus 5x minus 50 that equals to 0. So x as a common, so x minus 10. Here 5 as a common, so x minus 10 that equals to 0. X minus 10 and x plus 5. X equals to 10 or x equals to minus 5. We know the marks is never in negative. So your final answer is 10. So he scored 10 marks in the first test. Number of pots in one day be x and the production cost is 10x plus 40. Mr. Kasam run a small business of making earthen pot. He makes a certain number of pots on a daily basis. Production cost of each pot is rupees 40, more than 10 times the total number of pots he makes in one day. If production cost of all pots per day is rupees 600, find the production cost of one pot and the number of pots he makes per day. So number of pots that we consider, it is x, and production cost, it is 10x plus 40. So total is earning is 600 rupees in one day. So it means this x, the number of pots multiply with the production cost 10x plus 40, that equals to 600. So what do you get? 10x square plus 40x minus 600 that equals to 0. So we divide the whole equation with the 10. So you get the x square plus 4x minus 60 equals to 0. Now you need two numbers whose multiple is 60 and the sum is 4. So that is which number we use? 10, 6. 10 multiply with the 6, you get a 60. 10 minus 6, you get a 4. So x square plus 10x minus 6x minus 60, that equals to 0. X remove as a common, so x plus 10. Here minus 6 remove as a common, so x plus 10, that equals to 0. So in one bracket we get x plus 10, in other one we get x minus 6. So x equals to minus 10 or x equals to plus 6. So as we know, the number of pods are never in negative. So our answer that we get the number of pods in one day, it is 6. Now what you have to find? You have to find the production cost in one day. So number of pods in one day, it is 6. So what the production cost then? That is 10x. So 10 into 6 plus 40. So 60 plus 40, what do you get? 100. Seventh one, let the speed of water current be x kilometer per hour and the speed of board is still water is 12 kilometer per hour. Pratik takes 8 hours to take a 36 kilometer downstream and return to the same spot. The speed of board in still water is 12 kilometer per hour. Find the speed of water current. The speed of water current we consider as x kilometer per hour. Speed of boat in still water is 12 kilometer per hour. So as we know, the upstream it is 12 minus x and downstream it is 12 plus x. Now we have to use formula. Speed is equals to distance upon time. So total distance is given 36 kilometer and time it is given 8 hours. So according to the formula we write down distance, it is 36, in upstream it is 12 minus x, plus distance 36 in downstream 12 plus x. It takes 8 hours to complete a journey. So here we remove 36 as a common. So it remain 1 upon 12 minus x plus 1 upon 12 plus x, that equals to 8. Now 36 that we take that side. So here we get cross multiple 12 plus x plus 12 minus x, the whole upon 12 minus x into 12 plus x, that equals to 8 upon 36. So plus x minus x get cancel. You get a 24 upon a minus b, a plus b. So that is square of 12 minus square of x. And this we cancel with 4. 4 2s are 4 9s are. So you get a 2 upon 9. Now do the cross. 24 multiply with the 9 and this whole term is there, that is 2 multiply with 144 minus x square. So you cancel the 2 with the 24, that you get the 12. So here 12 multiply with the 9 is 108, that equals to 144 minus x square. Now shift minus x square this side. So you get the x square equals to 144 minus 108. So x square equals to 36. So x equals to plus minus 6. So we know x equals to 6 or x equals to minus 6. So minus is never the speed of any water. So answer is x equals to 6. The speed of water current, it is 6 kilometer per hour. Eighth one. Pintu takes 6 days more than those of Nisu to complete certain work. If they work together, they finish it is in 4 days. So how many days would it take to complete the work if they work alone? So Nisu takes x day, Pintu takes x plus 6 days. They complete the work in 6 days. Total days is given here, it is 4 days. So 1 upon x plus 1 upon x plus 6, that equals to 1 upon 4. With the cross multiple, so x plus 6 plus x the whole upon x into x plus 6, that equals to 1 upon 4. This way we do the cross multiple. So you get the 2x plus 6. Here x square plus 6x, that equals to 1 upon 4. Do the cross multiple again. 4 multiply with this, you get the 4 2x plus 6, that equals to x square plus 6x. Now 4 multiply with 2, you get the 8. 4 multiply with the 6 is 24. That equals to x square plus 6x. Now shift hold the term that side. So x square plus 6x minus 8x minus 24, that equals to 0. So x square minus 2x minus 24. Now you need a 2 number whose multiple is 24 and sum is 2. So that is 6 4 ja. So x square minus 6x plus 4x minus 24, that equals to 0. So x as a common, x minus 6, 4 as a common, so x minus 6. So x minus 6 in one bracket and x plus 4 in other bracket. So x equals to 6 or x equals to minus 4. So here x equals to 6 is the correct answer. And x equals to minus 4 because the days is not in negative. So it's not possible. It means Nisu takes 6 days to complete a work and Pintu takes, Nisu takes 6 days, Pintu takes 6 plus 6, that equals to 12 days. Now ninth one. If 460 is divided by a natural number, quotient is 6 more than 5 times the divisor and remainder is 1. Find quotient and divisor. Now 460 is the divided by a natural number. So we consider a natural number be x. 460 is dividend and it is given quotient is 6 more than 5 times the divisor. So 5 times of this x, it is 6 more plus 6 and remainder is 1. Now find the quotient and divisor. So we know formula dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So 460, that equals to x into 5x plus 6 plus 1. So 460, you get a 5x square plus 6x plus 1. Shift that side. So 5x square plus 6x plus 1 minus 460 equals to 0. So 5x square plus 6x minus 459, that equals to 0. Now We know for 459 which is multiplied with the 5. So you can't get the factorization over here. So it's not possible to factorize such number. So here we use formula method. Formula method: A is equals to 5, B equals to 6 and C equals to minus 459. Now find out B square minus 4AC. So the square of 6 minus 4 into 5 into minus 459. So you get a 36, minus minus plus, you get 9180. So that is added with the 36. So you get 9216. That is the value of B square minus 4AC. So B square minus 4AC is 9216. Now we use formula. So we know about our formula that we use over here. It is minus B plus minus under root B square minus 4AC upon 2A. So minus 6 plus minus, that we got 9216 upon 2 into A it is 5. So that is 10. So minus 6 plus minus the square root of 9216, it is 96 whole upon 10. So you get here minus 6 plus 96 upon 10 or minus 6 minus 96 upon 10. So 90 upon 10 or minus 102 upon 10. So you get the 9 or minus 10.2. So minus 10.2 is not possible. So your answer, it is 9. So therefore the divisor is 9. And you have to find quotient. Divisor, it is 9. Find out the quotient now. So what the quotient you consider? It is 5x plus 6. So 5 into 9 plus 6, that is 45, plus 6 is 51. Quotient is 51 and divisor is 9. Now 10th one. In the adjoining figure, ABCD is a trapezium. AB is a parallel to CD and its area is 33 centimeters square. From the information given in the figure, find the length of all sides of the trapezium. Fill in the empty boxes to get the solution. So it is given an activity based. The ABCD is a trapezium. AB is a parallel to CD. Then they use a formula, area of trapezium. What the formula of the area of trapezium? Half into sum of the parallel side into height. So area of ABCD, it is half into AB plus CD into AM. So 33, that equals to half. Here we get the 3x plus 1 and x minus 4, which is multiplied 2 shifted over there, you get a 66. You do the bracket multiplication, you get the 3x square minus 12x plus x minus 4, that equals to 66. 12 minus 1, you get a minus 11 and 66 you shifted over there. So minus 4 minus 66, you get a minus 70. 3x square minus 11x minus 70 equals to 0. So here 3x common, that we remove, so we get x minus 7. Here 10 as a common, we remove, so we get x minus 7. X minus 7 is a common bracket that you used, and 3x plus 10 is the remaining one. So x equals to 7 and x equals to minus 10 upon 3. So length is never in negative, so your final answer is x equals to 7.